Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Just Pasha channel on YouTube. I am doing another review of LED lights. I got these lights sent out to me by AUXBEAM. Let me check, okay? Let me check, because I don't know. I got these lights. I got these lights sent out to me by AUXBEAM. They reached out to me and they're like, hey, we saw your videos. Check out our lights. I was like, I would definitely do that. So let's see what's in the package. I still haven't opened them or anything. Wow, it's actually packaged really nice right away, because usually you would get just a box. A lot of Chinese companies would send you just like a box without any packaging around it besides the Amazon package. I have seen packaging of AUXBEAM lights and those are one of the best ones. Also, I do like the colors of orange and black. I think that looks cool. So what you get in the box right away, you get a little, I guess, a little other box with the instructions. They actually include instructions, because the other lights I gave away, they didn't really have anything. It was just like a little, I don't know, advertisement or whatever. But you get actual instructions of how to install everything. Everything's in, wow. Guess what? It's in Russian also. There's 3 languages here, or 4. Oh, there's actually warranty information. You do get the warranty with the lights. Super simple. You also get a sticker. Oh hey, 2 stickers. Double power. What I've always loved about AUXBEAM, they have really cool looking and cool feeling products. They're not cheap. Not only they're not cheap, they don't feel cheap, they don't look cheap, they're awesome. They also have drivers already on them installed, and all I have to do is plug them in. So I'll see you right after I install them. It's going this way, but it just doesn't want to flip. It doesn't want to like twist all the way. Jesus, that took me like no time. I'll be done in no time. Don't touch the radiator also when you drove a car, because it's kind of hot and you can burn yourself. Be cautious. So after about 5 to 7 minutes, after a little struggle, I put everything together. Everything is done now. I'm so excited to turn them on. I hope they don't blow the fuse. I hope they don't blow up. And I hope they're really bright and awesome. So let's do it. I'm so cool. You guys ready? Did I swap the wrong lights? I did.
What?
I swapped the wrong lights.
Are you for real?
I swapped the high beam lights.
So do we have to do it again?
Maybe. Well, we can check the high beam, okay? Let's see if it actually works. Oh, it doesn't. After taking about 5 to 7 minutes, I'm finally done putting lights in. It was a little bit of a struggle just because it wouldn't go in, but with a little bit of force it does. So everything fits, everything's perfect. I put the low beams in. I'm really excited. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Please work. Do they not work? Damn it. You remember the last LED light review, right? I decided to do a giveaway because it didn't work. So here we are with the right socket, with the right lights, with the right car. It still doesn't work. I plug everything in and it doesn't work. I like them, but I can't review them if they don't work, okay? I'm so disappointed. Like, now I have to take it all apart. Now I have to, like, you know how hard that was to put that in right now? Thanks! Very enjoyable. I have dirty hands. I have a bunch of projects to edit. I'm about to go to Russia. Like, I'm excited as heck. But here I am in the parking lot.
You can't put this part in the video?
You excited to go to Russia, dude?
Unbelievably.
Yes, me too. I'm really nervous, actually.
I'm probably gonna have a panic attack on the plane.
So after the installation of the lights, we swapped the halogen bulbs, the stock halogen bulbs to stock halogen bulbs. Why don't they work? Okay, so as you guys can see, there is no difference between the halogen bulbs that are stock and the halogen bulbs that are stock. It's just a meme. Goodbye.